We're staying in our new office proposal.dwg file, which is our host drawing to the XREF landscaping area.dwg. Now I've got both drawings open in AutoCAD right now, but normally that wouldn't be the case. Someone else would have the landscaping area DWG file open to collaborate with me on perhaps a project where we're designing the new landscaping area for the building. Now, what I'm going to do here is jump into the landscaping area drawing. So there's the tab there, there's landscaping area there. And you can see it's only showing the elements now of the landscaping area because that's all that's in this particular XREF drawing. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on the hatching there and I'm going to right click and I'm going to erase that. Then what I'm going to do is save that particular drawing. So if I save that now, what you'll find is that obviously that hasn't got the hatching in it, but when I go back to the new office proposal, it lets me know that somebody has edited that particular XREF. So it's saying that the landscaping area has been modified by P3650. That is the name of my computer, by the way, P3650. I'm not going to compare the changes. You can use a tool called XREF Compare to compare changes between XREFs if you want to. I'm just going to click on the reload landscaping area and you'll notice there that the hatch disappears. That's how quick and easy it is, like so. So you can edit XREFs in that way by allowing somebody else to work on the XREF drawing, and then when you reload it up, it updates with the changes that have been made to the XREF drawing.